I'm Shraddha, and this is the corner of my house that I love the most. So let me tell you story behind this. I used to live in hostel in Pune, but due to lockdown, I came home. My room, it was not decorated initially, and in hostel, my wall, means the wall behind my bed, was fully decorated with photos and inspirational quotes. I really like those kind of walls where there are photos behind and quotes, and it looks aesthetic and like that. When I came home, there was nothing over here, so I created this. One use of having photos on the wall or in the background is, first you can take good photos, it looks great, and second, vibe is great. So that's why this is the quote, a perfect day is when the soul smiles. I love having the satisfaction at the end of the day when your day goes great. So it is about this. And this is the yin yang. It is a Chinese symbol for balance. I really think I need balance in my life. I love sitting in just this light without any of the other light. It feels calm, peaceful. I sit here and take my diary, which is kept here only, and rant about things in my life, and write. It feels great. And here, you couldn't see it, but here is the Casio. I don't know exactly how to play, but sometimes in childhood I used to play Jana Gana Mana and all that sort of songs. So sometimes I switch on this light and play some songs. I'm not good at it, I just randomly do it. It feels so peaceful. This is the place in my house where I feel so peaceful and calm.
Yeah, so I don't feel I have a Sheldon type favorite corner with all the probable reasons for it. After giving it a thought, yes, there is this place in the house where I used to sit, where I like sitting, and there is no reason for it, there is no memory attached to it, but that is the place wherein I sip the afternoon tea or enjoy the morning tea all by myself, and then I start getting all these random thoughts about my fantasies, and all the thoughts which probably are never going to be true, all the extravagant thoughts that I get in this place. And I guess that is the reason why that is the favorite corner of my house, because I get to sneak into the world which may not be true in reality, but then that is how you go into the fantasy land and start daydreaming about stuff and about things, and things which were meant to be, things which you wanted them to be, and which aren't there in life, which are never going to be there in your life. Yeah, so that is, it's not like a corner where I want to sit, or like as I said, like the Sheldon thing, I need to go there, I need to sit there, need to think over there. But just sitting in that place and looking at the entire house from that view makes me wonder about stuff. uh, it's a good thing to be there for just like 10-15 minutes, and then jumping back to the reality, getting to work, everything. But yeah, then that space, that corner of the room gives me the feeling of being into my fantasy land, of being into my dreamy world somehow. What's the question?
Acha, which is the favorite corner in my house and why? Well, I have a lot of favorite places in my house, but there's this one corner in my bedroom. Wait, I'll show you. This one, this clothes. Please don't mind the heap of clothes. But the very reason this is my favorite, because you can dump here anything you want. It might be clothes, it might be socks, it might be wet towel at times, books. I think there are books. So yeah.
Hi, so this is my favorite corner of the house. I don't really remember when it became my favorite, and as you can see, it is not very fancy, but I think it is really very cozy and comfortable to sit here and study or do whatever you want. Then there's a window right next to me, and I always enjoy sitting next to a window, so maybe that is one of the reasons. And as you can see, there's a wall behind me, so whenever I'm sitting here and watching movies, nobody can actually make out what I'm doing.
Favorite corner of my house, where I want to be, is this corner of my terrace, or from where I see the sunset every day, because it's the same sun that looks beautiful every day. It looks different, and it gives me that sense of strength that whatever happens, you look beautiful every day.
Hi, so this has to be my favorite spot. It's the midway between the stairs and the terrace. I just spend some time of my day here and I feel energetic and calm at the same time. So the whole point of this video was to let you know that your house, your own place is as beautiful as any other places. Before pandemic, we didn't really spend that much time in our own house, and even if we did, we would just hang out in the couple of spots. But lockdown made us realize, like at least for me, that there are those little things and those spots which make you feel comfortable. So love your house a little more and let me know in the comment section if you have any favorite spot in your house. And you know the drill. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Share this video with your friends and family. Take care of yourself and love you. Bye.